Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Tips for starting a blog this week looks at travel blog. If you love traveling, seeing new places, and telling others about your adventures, about the different things you've seen, done, or eaten, a travel blog may be exactly what you're looking for. Destination and offer ideas for their next vacation. These blogs are typically attractive, although you don't need to be a professional photographer to create a fantastic travel blog, have comprehensive lists, and offer insights on the finest activities and sights to see. These blogs focus on a wide range of topics, such as things to do and see, food in different countries, remote work or online jobs great for travel, traveling on a budget, backpacking, travel itineraries, local travel and nomad travel. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.